Hey guys, welcome back. Welcome back to Make It Build It. This is the drift trike build part. What is this? 5?
Part 5. Yep. Hey, real quick. Hope you guys had a safe, good 4th of July. You did anything like us? We blew a whole bunch of stuff up, and
We
had a great time.
It is giant fireworks. And
Alright.
despite my best efforts, Dad worked on the drift trike, the foot pedals and the seat mount without me recording.
Well, hey, must be present to win. So you guys will see some of the products of that. Like this is where I'm at for getting started on the seat mount. I had to cut out these holes so I can get to the nuts from the seat posts that come down. But I got to weld this all up and clean it up and get it ready to weld down onto the frame.
Well, at least we're gonna have some welding.
There's going to be a good bit of welding. I cut out the arms for the foot peg mounts. And then,
if you're wondering about our weird faces, it's because the sun's kind of in our eyes.
Yep. So we'll be cutting and welding and grinding and doing the normal stuff we do here on Make It Build It. All right. So that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna try to get the front end buttoned up where you can sit in the seat, put your feet on the foot pegs, because that's gonna set the pace for where the motor goes and the axle behind it. So stay tuned. We're gonna have a good day.
Yeah.
All right, let's do it.
Okay, so we're currently getting ready to weld this thing together.
Seat mount.
Seat mount, yay!
There you go.
So where are you looking first?
Right there.
Oh crap, that's a bad angle. Whoa, look! Can the phone see? Yes, the phone can finally see how much it's smoking. Don't breathe this in, guys.
Alright,
That
we'll
smells
weld,
bad.
and then we'll turn it. Alright, is that everything?
I think so. I'm gonna bring it around. Tell us if you guys see anything that we have not welded. So Dad just finished centering this onto the body, and it took a lot of time for some reason. And we just clamped it. Now we're preparing to weld it. So yeah. And if you're wondering what the triangle in the back here is for, I was wondering that too. Apparently it's for, I'm going to say this as best I can, it's more, Dad, what's it for?
Support for the back of the seat.
Support for the back of the seat. I knew that. I was just seeing if you remember.
Ready?
Alright, now we're going to weld on the foot peg thingies. We're going to weld on those. Ready? In case you guys were wondering, and in case I was, we're going to take this pipe and this, and we're going to cut it in half so that each side, the end of it like this, is curved and will fit onto this. And since we cut it in half, it'll be able to do that on both sides. And then we'll have foot pegs once we weld it on. So let's start. Yay! Well, that was fun. Now I just...
Here, cut that.
No! Why do you always make me grab hot stuff? Here, I'll grab with this.
Now we gotta clean these edges up. Grinder.
Yay, grinding! Look. Oh, it's hot. How can I feel the heat through a welding glove?
Feel this edge.
I'm feeling it.
See how it's not really sharp?
Yeah. After it. So I'm just gonna start with the, the inside. Alright, so we're currently getting ready to load on foot pegs. Ready?
Say it loud.
I'm ready!
Alright, I'm not sure you're quite ready yet. Why don't we let Daddy try it?
Why don't you let me try?
Alright, let's let Bubba see what it's like. Oh my gosh. You cannot be inside of it.
Also, Dad did something that I have no idea what he did. But now, I can turn the wheel. Well, I turned a lot. Oh wait, no, the wheel is lifted off the ground.
Yeah. That's why you're able to turn it.
Whoa.
Okay. Kind of waste some video there.
What? This
Alright,
is
let me try it.
epic footage. I did not know. Dad, you can't wiggle a
Not
lot.
lean it.
Sheesh.
Alright guys. There you have it.
Alright.
It's Dad.
Let's go to the outro.
Say hi everybody.
Hi.
Alright.
So today was a nice, pretty short episode.
Yeah, I think today's going to be a pretty short video. We got 2 big things done today.
We got the foot pegs.
Foot pegs mounted.
Foot.
And the seat mounted. And all welded up.
Wait,
So
we even mounted something that mounts onto something?
yep, we mounted the seat mount. So, so next video, we're going to start working on the rear set of arms. Looking at getting them welded in, as well as notching out where the axle and the bearings are going to drop down and mount up. So,
Sellout time. Preston, what do they got to do?
yeah.
Hit the like button.
And subscribe down below and hit the notification bell so that you will see anytime we put out videos, you will get a notification.
That's right.
I
So
worded that like crap.
remember, we are Make It Build It, and we are here to spend some time and put stuff together.
Preston, did you have a good time today?
Yeah, I really did.
Don't forget Russ's time ticker page. All right, we'll put a link in the description below. And
if you like video games, you'll like my channel.
if you enjoy this
Just
video,
nice logic.
check out the rest of the playlist. All right, 1 through 4. Today's number 5, and we will see you next time.
Now, Jackson, you get to say something. What do you
Say
choose?
bye.
Bye.